Well, the art of being a cobbler is a humble profession. All of my friends are not with us now, they're deceased. We lost a whole generation of shoe repairmen, and from each one of them I spent time, did work for them, volunteered work, and learned the pearls of their work and information, and incorporated that into my style of shoe repair. Graduated Wilkes University for 4 years and a double degree in physics and math and a minor in pre-med. Went on to postgraduate work at the Pennsylvania College of Podiatric Medicine, now known as Temple School of Podiatric Medicine in Philadelphia, as well as private practice for about 15 years. I retired from podiatry and went on to enjoy my retirement. My degree as a podiatrist allows me to understand the foot, ankle, and lower leg. So it motivated me to take what I knew and take myself out of retirement in an effort to contribute something to our community as a shoe repairman. Almost every town locally had a cobbler. When we lost our profession of people, it was primarily due to the 30 years that they worked as cobblers in the exposure to the German glues as well as the leather color sprays. The degradation of the exposure to these agents that we lost them. Also age, there's no doubt about it, but they didn't train their children. Their children didn't take an interest in it, or there was no time. To be trained to do something like this, there is no schooling. So you really have to expect to devote 2 to 2.5 years with someone, many hours a day, in an effort to learn this. Well, it's all hands-on. So they would say, Paul, would you do this for me? Would you do that for me? And it got me involved. And that gave me the bug and the desire to want to pursue this. The art of being a shoe repairman has basics that are still there, and yet there are some changes. Changes in the materials we use. The materials are always advancing for soling, for heeling, for the heels. But the vamp is this part of a shoe or boot, and they're very tight because more and more women are ordering online and learning that they didn't try it on, so it doesn't fit. It's tight. So we use a vamp stretcher, and that'll stretch it for 3 days to the desired height. These dowels are different sizes. Okay, this is a country western boot, a beautiful black men's country western boot, and he came in with the separation of his leather hat sole. And when you open it up, you see it's empty. It has no more cork in it. We fill it in with crepe, and that goes on there. And that's the leather half sole. Obviously, later on, I mentioned with our machines, we grind it and trim it. And indeed, it's more than just shoe repair. It involves, as I said earlier, repairing zippers in purses, handles on purses, zippers in Harley Davidson boots, jackets, and even luggage. When the TSA busts your luggage at the airport, they send them down here to get repaired. The advice that I give to folks, and there are some that come in and ask me, is it's long, do you go to school? I said, no, there's no school for it. It's all hands-on. It's apprenticeship. How long does it take to learn the career? I says, truthfully, you have to give up what you're doing in an effort to devote all the hours per day for 2 years to become a qualified, confident shoe repairman.
Like what you see? Help VIA tell more of your stories with a donation today. Become a member at wvia.org/support.